Hi guys, picked up this little car in a charity shop last week I think it was, and I've been playing with it and really enjoying it. It's a great fun little car. It's what do we call it, skid steer or tank steer, where you control the sides. So that one going forwards and that one going backwards, it'll turn that way and the opposite way, both forwards, both backwards. It's made by Fastlane, I believe. I think that FLX, I think it's Fastlane X something or other. I did actually find the name of it, and that'll be in the video description, but I've forgotten it at the moment. Made by Toys R Us, or sold by Toys R Us, which doesn't exist in the UK anymore, but I believe they still exist over in Canada or something. Anyway, it's an absolute fun little toy. I'm sure it's designed to go upside down, because if you see the bodywork is lower, so it'll go forwards, backwards, it'll hit things, it'll flip right over, it'll go back the other way. But I want to mount this little camera on it, and obviously every time it flips over it's going to knock the camera off. So I'm thinking of trying to make some sort of guard for it out of this bit of springy wire. I reckon if I drill a hole here somewhere, and a hole there, and a hole there, and a hole there, I can either cross it over that way, or I can just go up the sides. I think if I cross it over, that's probably going to be a stronger fix. So I'll cut this bit of wire into 2 lengths, drill 4 holes, poke that through, maybe put a little drop of hot glue underneath just to help hold it in place, and then give it a try. The only thing is that one's not waterproof either, and it would be great fun to go splashing through puddles with it. I did have briefly, this is a Q11, I did have a Q8 which is just a little bit smaller, and I did get that one wet and it is now dead. So I don't want to get this one wet too. That's what I'll do though. I'll drill, I reckon, 4 holes and we should be okay. It might be best to drill from the inside out, I reckon. Keep your fingers out of the way. There we go. Yeah, it looks about even. Slightly deeper hole. Not going to get it with this one though, it's a bit too short. We'll just make do, we'll widen it up later. There we go, that's what I had in mind. Roll bars, I suppose. It does mean that it won't run upside down anymore, and it might well get stuck, whereas before it would have probably righted itself eventually. But it does mean we'll protect the camera. So I'll pop some hot glue in there just to stop those wires popping out. They are nice and tight, but I'll put some hot glue in there anyway. Well, I think I've run the batteries down a bit. That was fun, but I really need to try and make this proper hobby grade. It'll be a real tight fit in there, there's no space, but if I can do it, it'll be brilliant fun. That'll do. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.